Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Technical Moby Desk. I hope you all are enjoying. So today I'm going to show you how you can take remote access of your computer or laptop using mobile phone. Suppose you are far away from your computer or laptop and want to view some documents or want access of your computer and you don't have any extra computer or laptop along with you. So in that scenario, it is possible to access your computer or laptop through your mobile phone. So let me show you how you can do that. So first of all, you need to download one software. Just go to Play Store and search for Anydesk. Download Anydesk. Once you download Anydesk, you need to download one plugin for Anydesk. Let me show you how you can do that. Once our Anydesk will download, I will show you how to download Anydesk plugin. You can also search Anydesk plugins and you can download that as well. If you don't download this Anydesk plugin, it will automatically show you to download Anydesk plugin. So just wait to download Anydesk. Once it download, I will show you. Yes, it's downloaded. Now it's installing. Open it. So here you can see plugins available. For controlling device remotely, a plugin is required. To do OK, Play Store and do install. Once it will install, then you can access of your computer or your laptop. It's installed. Now go back, do OK. This is your desk number through which other people can access your mobile phone or your computer. So now you need to enter remote address of your computer laptop you want to access. Suppose I want to access my computer whose remote ID is 563359. So these are the options tools you can use while accessing. So it's sending the request. I got it, the request. I will accept in my computer. So now you can see I have access of my computer. So you can perform some tasks like you want to, if you want to access your notepad, so you can double click on it. You can open the notepad. If you want to access Google Chrome, you can double click on it. You can open the Google Chrome as well. If you want to see some Gmail profile, you can open Gmail. If you want to open some Flipkart or Amazon or Meta, you can open that as well. So how you can take a control of your computer or laptop through a mobile. So I think it is easy to control your computer or laptop through your mobile phone. I hope you got it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. That's it for today.